Well, I'm out at an industrial estate in Feltham, and it may be raining, but my enthusiasm isn't dampened, because when I turn up at Moss Europe, you can see you're at the right place, a place that's run by enthusiasts, because these are actually staff cars that are parked outside. We've got this wonderful little Mini, that Triumph TR5. We've got a 66, I think, fastback Mustang, that nice little Triumph over in the background. Absolutely incredible, and nice to see that the car park is awash with cars from the staff, and it shows that they really care about what they do. Now, my car is a 59 MGA, and I sent Moss Europe a whole list of parts that I need for that car, and that's why I'm here, to pick them up. So let's go and have a look inside. Look at this, the cars don't stop outside, they continue on inside this wonderful reception area. This is the Moss Mini, laid out there to give you some inspiration. What a cracking little car. But what's really good now, Moss supply these. This is a Heritage Mark 1 Mini body shell, and I know how difficult it is if you buy an old Mini and you want to put it back together, if it's rusty, how difficult they are to work on. To think that you can turn up and buy a complete shell is just magic, isn't it? So you can now get one of these from Moss. You can also buy any part you need for your car. Look at this wall of parts. Everything's here. We've got grills, we've got door skins, we've got exhausts, manifolds. You've almost got a complete car on the side. What's that? The front wing and the rear wing of a TR4, TR5, and the door skin as well. Lovely mirrors. A lot of these parts I'm here to buy, actually. So we've got mirrors, these lovely Smith's gauges, and we've got some in Heritage colours as well. Beautiful. I'd probably come buy one of these grills for my 59 MGA. Got the bumpers. So basically, if you've got a car that you need to restore and you need parts for it, this is a one-stop shop. You can come here and almost buy a complete car. But I've come to see this young man here. Felipe, how are you, buddy?
Hello, Mike. I'm good, and you?
Yeah, good to see you. Did you get that big long list of parts I need?
Big parts packed and ready to be sent to you, and the small stuff I'll left it outside so you can have a look.
Can I see it?
Of course you can.
Fantastic. Oh, wow. You are kidding me. Look at the, seriously, look at the size of this place. I didn't realise the operation was as big as this. It's gigantic. So if I need a part anywhere in the world, and
all you need to do is just ring us and we'll send it to you.
You can send it out to us.
No,
and this is your packaging and warehouse team down here. Do you know what? I never knew. You never know what's behind closed doors, do you? You walk through the reception and you think that's it, and it's not until you come back here and you see the size of the operation.
That's right. It's a big operation.
It's huge. Well, I'm mightily impressed, Philippe. Let's go and go and find my part.
To show you.
Yeah, what have you got?
So, you want to start with the big stuff or the small stuff?
Well, let's start with the big stuff. I know that there's panels and other stuff that are being sent. Oh. Now this feels like Christmas for me, right? Because that is the grille for the front of my car. And once you put a new grille, it's the face of the car, isn't it? Once you put nice shiny lipstick on it, it's going to look incredible. So thank you, that's very nice. Oh, a new radiator. Yeah, so the old radiator was a little bit beaten up. So it's nice that we can come here and we can get a brand fire new radiator. Looks like a nice original part as well. So it's remanufactured original parts, so that's absolutely brilliant to put in the car.
This one is quite important. That's the new identity of the car.
Look at that little treasure trove. This is the little name tag, the little name plate that will go on the car. It will get its car number stamped on there. Absolutely fantastic. I didn't even know you supplied those. That is brilliant.
The mirror.
Mirror, wonderful.
Door mirror.
Yeah, lovely.
Another important bit's going to be the fuel pump.
Oh right, the fuel pump. Yeah, we definitely need one of those. And the other bits are being sent as well.
The other bits, we've got everything patched and ready to be sent.
Felipe, that's absolutely incredible. To know that I can turn up at just one place, get all the bits that I need and leave the shop with a big smile on my face is fantastic. Right, let's gather all this stuff up. Let's get it in the boot of my car, because you made me a very happy man. Incredible.
No problem, Mike.
Felipe, what can I say? It's been fantastic coming down here and seeing you again. Thank you very much for all the parts. I know the bigger stuff has already been sent, but I'll take these bits with me and I'll see you soon.
See you soon, Mike.
Thank
Enjoy.
you.
Bye-bye.
What a great place, eh? You can just turn up, get all the bits you need. It's a one-stop shop. If you can't get down here, remember you can always do it online. You go to Moss europe.co.uk, and they can send parts anywhere in the world. Right, let's get this back to the workshop.